Here we go. Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. This is the Minthouz 3-in-1 wireless charger. In today's video, we'll explore this interesting, cool charger, which, by the way, disclaimer, the company sent this product for review, but they don't pay me to make today's video. So this is just a quick disclaimer, guys. Now, 3-in-1 wireless charger. So why do you need a wireless charger? So you can charge your smartphone, you can charge your earbuds, and you can charge your Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch as well. So it's white, comes with a Type-C cable, and also comes with a plug adapter, which is 20 watt. Now, if you're asking what is the output, 15 watt. I know 15 watt, it's not the fastest charger, but this is a great product. This mainly is good for your office or for your bedroom as well, because we have built-in lights. So this can act as a this can act as a German, it's not my day. This can act as a night lamp, finally. So we have different colors. You can choose 5 different colors. So there's a button here so you can cycle to the color. Now let me show you all the 3 charging Q ports. So if you open this port, you can charge your phone here. Here on the bottom you can charge your earbuds, and then you set 3 chargers. Where is the charger for your watch? It's just here. So look how cool is that. Now this tray comes out and you can charge your Samsung Watch or Apple Watch. But overall the design is very cool. It's compact, it's not very heavy, and currently the price making today's video is around £35. Link in the descriptions down below if you want to purchase this Minthouz charger, which in my opinion it's a good product. Also, a couple of months ago I reviewed another product from the company, which is the USB-C hub, which I still use, and I do like it because, as you know, many PCs doesn't have a lot of ports, so most of my ports are used by so many freaking USBs, and now I can use the USB port hub Type-C, link in the description. Check it right now. So what do I think about this product? It's cool, it's fun. You have a night lamp, which is so cool for your convenience, and comes with 20 watt plug adapter, which is a bonus in my opinion, which is so cool. So the charging output is 15 watt, also supports 10 watt, 7.5 watt and 5 watt. It's a Q-Charge certified, so you're covered regardless your smartphone or Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. So it's compact, it's portable, it's easy to take with you, and I think it's cool. Link in the descriptions down below, so let me know what do you think. And now the bonus feature is, obviously I don't have the magnetic case, but if you do have the magnetic case, you can use it and you can use the charger as a stand, which is a bonus.